The Maldives, a paradise on Earth. Welcome to the Maldives, a tropical paradise located in the Indian Ocean. The Maldives is made up of over 1,000 islands, each one more beautiful than the last. Many of these islands have been developed into luxury resorts, offering visitors an unparalleled level of luxury and relaxation. The Maldives is renowned for its crystal-clear waters and incredible marine life. Snorkeling and scuba diving are popular activities, allowing visitors to see everything from colorful fish to majestic manta rays. The Maldives has a rich culture and history, with influences from nearby India and Sri Lanka. Local markets are a great place to sample fresh seafood and spices, and to see traditional Maldivian crafts. Traditional Maldivian dance performances are a must-see, showcasing the country's unique cultural heritage. The Maldives is also known for its stunning sunsets. Watching the sun go down over the ocean is a truly magical experience. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or simply a chance to unwind in paradise, the Maldives has something for everyone. Come experience this magical destination for yourself. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.